It's like take. What take is this? 6. But yeah, welcome to the video, man. You know, shit. We're here showing the best mod for your Infiniti G35. My personal opinion, I do truly think this is the best mod for Infiniti G35. NA. If turbo, that'd be nice, but yeah, NA. So you know, let me show you the car and show you around what's all done to it. You know, I done did a couple videos with this car, but I feel like I'm gonna wait a camera, but I don't know. I'm already here yapping, getting camera shy, so you know, I finally decided to drop a video. Ain't no cameraman, so you know y'all on the stool, on the pogo stick. Let me get y'all off there and get y'all on the thing. Oh yeah, talk about this. This video only dropping this week because, you know, quitting at my job, he said, drop a video. I'm like, all right, I got you. I had some shit going on, but the shit going. Now that the boys might be coming up as we speak, but you know, I ain't the boys. I'm tripping. Let me get y'all up in here though. Oh yeah, also look at the fit, man. It's the work fit as usual. You got a hoodie in October. It's not even October yet, September still, but it's hot out. It's the nicest day of the week. It's supposed to rain all week. And let me get y'all up in here real quick. Let me pause y'all and get y'all in here. Let's see, last time, you know, last one I took off the stand and that shit hit the ground instantly. So yeah, look at the dang lights turned off. Let me turn the lights back on. This is a 04 Infiniti G35. You know, got the manual. Yeah. Load on BC coilovers, ESRs, and our lights don't turn on. They got me. It's like nighttime, so I don't think it matters, but there you go. So yeah, like I said, it's load on BC coilovers, ESR wheels, Gojira, you know, Gojira, Godzilla, and I'm in the jolly mood. Look at this scenery. You know, I always love being out in the wilderness. And this is definitely not the wilderness. Look at all these jobs and warehouses around me. Besides all that, ice, land, and one day I'm gonna own a farm. I'll tell you that. But that go happen. But right now, we're talking about the Infiniti G35 and the best mod. Like I said, let me get to it. The best mod I think it is a tune. This thing just got tuned. It shoots flames now. This motherfucker move now. Let me show you everything I've done to it first. You know, all the clips are gonna be at night, and yeah, show that. But hold on. Here is the engine bay of the G35. We have an intake. We have a plenum spacer. It got Z1 exhaust on the header's back, and you got the BC coilovers on it. She's not focusing again. I still gotta work this phone camera out. So yeah, exhaust back. Basically got full bolt-ons basically. Spark plugs, valve covers all done, hose. She's a full bolt-on G, and it just got tuned. Like I said, I think that's the best mod because stock, all them bolt-ons with stock tune, it's not as fast as the performance tune this now. This thing moves. And the flames, it's just even as, like, it's just way better. The flames are, the pops and all that. Y'all gonna see, like I said, later. Right now, you know, I'm still showing the car. I don't think there's much to show. This car's been on the channel for a while, and finally got tuned. Probably the next thing for this car is turbo. You know what I'm saying? It's been good ass car, man. This is my favorite year Infinitis for G's. I would say. Look at that thing. I'm gonna get to see me happen here soon. But right now, I'm trying to think what else to talk about. I don't know. 2, change the tunes. Let me do that for y'all. Let me shut this up. Change the tunes. You were getting it like this. The 0.5 for y'all real quick. Tired up for you. That's the radio yapping. Oh, my Bluetooth, hold on. Don't mind the tire light, you know, that's the tire like 2 PSI low. Oh, yeah, turn the VDC off, but to change the tunes, you got first down, cancel. Right there where it says set, now it's in performance tune. Try it again. Set, boom, boom. That's the performance tune. Go down twice, hit the button twice. That's the flame tune. And I will say, I already forgot what the other 2 tunes is, but one of them is an eco tune. And yeah, that's all I really remember. So I'm gonna have to deal with that one. But that got tuned by Z1. You just take the ECU out and send it to him. That's all you gotta do. It's pretty simple. It's the best mod to do for these. After you go, but yeah, you have all the bolt-ons first, I would say. And then do the tune. And then you get the 2 flames. How the 2-step, anti-lag, all that. You don't see the video. Definitely gonna see the plane, two-step. But yeah, that shit's nice. So let me show some scenery and let me stop gapping so I can watch the damn actual video. Just want to say, man, thank y'all for watching the video, you know, before y'all see the actual video. But yeah, so get these cinematic views and let y'all watch the flames. And don't mind how there's gonna be no sound, because you actually gonna hear the buzzing, because last time, you know, I got copyright for putting songs in, so let y'all at that. Oh. Got this copy of another video. Y'all didn't see that from me. Do this thing. Just want to show the difference between 240s. It's in the flame too right now. Let me let this car go first. I don't want to fuck with it. Knew what I want to rev this engine out, but DE style. We'll have to go to second. Shoot a flame because, you know, I didn't hit the gas because I hit third. But now I'm gonna go to the performance tune and see what she do. See if she does any faster. I don't remember how fast I was going. For sure it does. That's why it's pulling the top in. Yeah, performance tuning is way better, especially from stock. Oh my God! Nigga two-step. Gotta switch. Come on.